India is rapidly emerging as one of the world's biggest players in the tech industry. From groundbreaking innovations to a booming startup ecosystem, this country is transforming itself into a global tech powerhouse. But how exactly did this happen? And what does the future hold for India as a leader in tech? Let's dive in. In the past decade, India's technology landscape has undergone a massive transformation. With a young tech-savvy population, the rise of internet connectivity, and a huge demand for innovation, India has all the ingredients to become a global tech leader. India is home to over 1.4 billion people, and a large chunk of them are under the age of 35, creating an incredible talent pool for the tech industry. More than 700 million internet users are already online, and this number is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Now, let's talk about India's startup ecosystem. Did you know that India is now the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, behind only the United States and China? As of 2024, India boasts more than 80,000 startups, with new ones being launched every single day. And the best part? Many of these startups are not just tech companies but are innovative across diverse sectors, from e-commerce and fintech to health tech and edtech. Some of India's top startups like Byju's, Swiggy, Zomato, and Ola are now global names, showing just how much potential the country's innovation ecosystem has. In fact, in 2023, India produced 20 plus unicorns, startups valued over $1 billion, bringing the total number of unicorns in India to over 100. India's government has also played a big role in this transformation. Policies aimed at fostering innovation, improving infrastructure, and boosting investments in technology have helped create a thriving startup ecosystem. Initiatives like Digital India and Startup India have been game changers. Through Digital India, the government aims to improve digital infrastructure and increase internet accessibility, while Startup India offers tax breaks, easier regulations, and other incentives for entrepreneurs. And it's working. In 2023, the Indian government announced that it would set up 100 incubators in the next 5 years to help foster startups in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, giving rise to new hubs of innovation outside the traditional hotspots like Bengaluru and Delhi. And the investors are noticing. India is attracting record levels of foreign direct investment in the tech sector. In 2023, India received around $47 billion in FDI, and a major chunk of that came into the technology sector. In fact, venture capital funding for Indian startups reached a record of $24 billion in 2022, according to the recent reports. Some of the world's biggest investors like SoftBank, Thai Global, and Sequoia Capital are backing Indian startups, helping them scale globally. But it's not just about the startups. India's presence in the global tech ecosystem is growing stronger day by day. Take India's role in software development, for example. India is already the world's largest exporter of IT services, with companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro providing solutions to clients all over the globe. In fact, the Indian IT sector is worth a staggering $200 billion and contributes significantly to the country's GDP. Plus, India is becoming a major hub for AI, blockchain, and 5G innovation. India's growing focus on artificial intelligence was recently reflected in the government's move to launch the National AI Strategy, aiming to position India as a leader in AI research and applications. So what next for India? Well, it looks like the future is even brighter. With an ever-expanding digital economy, a rising number of tech entrepreneurs, and continuous support from both the government and investors, India is well positioned to become the next Silicon Valley of the world. The government is also focusing on areas like quantum computing, space technology, and green tech to diversify its tech ecosystem. And with global giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon making massive investment in India, the sky is the limit. The potential for growth is endless. So there you have it. From a rapid growing startup ecosystem to major global investments and innovations, India is truly becoming a global in technology and startups.